Hello, I'm Yusuf Şener from the Gede Technical University. My department is computer engineering. In this video, I will explain my CSE 101 assignment. This program makes the LED on the Arduino blink with specified intervals to display the message, the hello world. First, let's upload the code to the Arduino. Now it's starting. When it finishes, it waits for 5 seconds and then starts a new loop. As you can see, it finished. Now I will explain the bonus part of the assignment. In the bonus part of my assignment, the code I wrote detects any message entered by the user and blink it in Morse code. In this code, I defined the entire alphabet, numbers, punctuation marks. For example, let's try computer. It has started to show. And done. Thank you for watching this video.